Hello, my friend, and welcome back to 24/7 Talk English. This is day 3 of your daily English lesson series. Today, you will learn polite English for everyday life. Simple, kind, and respectful sentences you can use at home, at work, outside, and in conversations. You will practice slow listening, repeat after me, shadowing, mini conversations, pronunciation training, and confidence building. So sit comfortably, relax your shoulders, and let's begin. Part 1. Slow listening. 30 polite English sentences. Listen first. 1. Excuse me. 2. Pardon me. 3. May I ask you something? 4. Could you help me, please? 5. Thank you so much. 6. I really appreciate it. 7. You're very kind. 8. That's very helpful. 9. I'm sorry about that. 10. It won't happen again. 11. Could you speak slowly? 12. Could you repeat that? 13. Would you mind waiting a moment? 14. Take your time. 15. No rush. 16. Please go ahead. 17. After you. 18. That sounds great. 19. I agree with you. 20. I understand. 21. Thank you for your patience. 22. Thank you for your time. 23. I'm not sure, but I'll check. 24. Let me help you with that. 25. Please let me know. 26. Is everything okay? 27. How can I help you? 28. Feel free to ask. 29. Have a wonderful day. 30. See you soon. Great. Now let's repeat together. Part 2. Repeat after me. Speak clearly and slowly. Repeat each sentence clearly. Excuse me. Pardon me. May I ask you something? Could you help me, please? Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. You're very kind. That's very helpful. I'm sorry about that. It won't happen again. Could you speak slowly? Could you repeat that? Would you mind waiting a moment? Take your time. No rush. Please go ahead. After you. That sounds great. I agree with you. I understand. Thank you for your patience. Thank you for your time. I'm not sure, but I'll check. Let me help you with that. Please let me know. Is everything okay? How can I help you? Feel free to ask. Have a wonderful day. See you soon. Great. Part 3. Mini explanations and practice. I'll say a phrase, explain it, then you repeat. Excuse me. Use this before asking something. Repeat. Excuse me. Could you help me, please? More polite than help me. Repeat. Could you help me, please? I really appreciate it. A polite way to show gratitude. Repeat. I really appreciate it. Would you mind waiting a moment? Polite way to ask someone to wait. Repeat. Would you mind waiting a moment? Take your time. Say this when someone is rushing. Repeat. Take your time. After you. Very polite when letting someone go first. Repeat.
After you. Thank you for your patience. Use this when someone waits for you. Repeat. Thank you for your patience. Feel free to ask. Very friendly and open. Repeat. Feel free to ask. Perfect. Part 4. Mini conversations using polite English. Conversation 1. Asking for help. A. Excuse me, may I ask you something? B. Sure, how can I help you? A. Could you tell me where the bus stop is? B. It's right over there. A. Thank you so much. B. You're welcome. Repeat. Excuse me, may I ask you something? Thank you so much. Conversation 2. At work. A. Could you send me the file, please? B. Sure. Give me a minute. A. Take your time. B. Here it is. A. I really appreciate it. B. No problem. Repeat. Take your time. A. I really appreciate it. Conversation 3. Meeting someone. A. Hi, how are you today? B. I'm fine, thank you. How about you? A. I'm good. Have a wonderful day. B. You too. See you soon. Repeat. Have a wonderful day. See you soon.
Part 5. Shadowing practice. Speak with me. Follow my rhythm. Excuse me. Could you help me, please? Thank you so much. You're very kind. Could you speak slowly? Would you mind waiting a moment? Take your time. Please go ahead. That sounds great. I understand. Thank you for your patience. Feel free to ask. Have a wonderful day. See you soon. Great job. Part 6. Pronunciation training. Repeat clearly. Excuse me. Pardon me. Speak slowly. Would you mind? No rush. After you. Wonderful day. I appreciate it. Patience. Feel free. Excellent. Part 7. Confident sentences. Say these with a strong voice. I can speak English politely. I sound more confident every day. I use polite phrases naturally. I learn quickly. I enjoy improving my English. I am getting better. One more time. I can speak English politely. I sound more confident every day. I use polite phrases naturally. I learn quickly. I enjoy improving my English. I am getting better. You have completed Daily English Lesson Day 3, Polite English for Everyday Life. These polite phrases will help you sound respectful, friendly, and confident in any conversation. Thank you for learning with 24/7 Talk English. I'll see you in Day 4.